Okay, so so I figured the first step to getting my life together is to write a list about what I actually need to do to get my life together. First of all, I need to clean out my closet. I only have like 2 pairs of jeans. Go shopping. I need to clean my room. At least one thing I did do is get my nails done, but it kind of looks a little cheesy. Kind of looks like Harley Quinn vibes. I don't know, maybe I'm going for Harley Quinn vibes. I'm gonna need you to get off. Uh-oh, move. Get off, get off. Arthur, please, get off, get down. Oh no, it's moving. Life is over as we know it. Oh. Hi. I'm almost as pale as my carpet. So at this point, I just need to do school now because I honestly haven't had any motivation to do school whatsoever. And that's an issue because I'm a college student who needs to do school. Now that I'm in a clean space, I guess, I am free to work on my school. Let's secure the bag. This reminds me of like people who have to use walkers and ice skating. Oh, you know what? Those are those. Arthur, what are you doing? No, baby. No, baby. Here. Probably a very poor choice to do this by myself, but it's fine. Let's go. Ah! This is very difficult right now. I don't know how the heck I'm supposed to do this. Oh, my hand's cramping. That's enough for one night. Good night. I think definitely the next and most important step, helping my spiritual health. If you think of it, you have like 4 types of health. You have physical, spiritual, emotional, and mental. You can be working 3 of those, but what about your spiritual health? You gotta feed your spiritual health too. I am a Christian, so I read the Bible. There's so many things that I can testify that have worked out whenever I've trusted Him. And I'm not trying to like push religion on you. I just think of it more as like a relationship with God rather than like a religious, ritualistic kind of thing. I just think of it as like He loves me, He created me for a purpose, and He wants to communicate with me, and He did that by giving me the Bible. I'm gonna read my Bible now. I figured now that I took a shower for the first time in like 5 days, I should probably do like a face mask or something, you know? got my paycheck today, and it shows. Okay, that was really dramatic. I just had coffee and I'm really hyper now. So I'm going on a picnic. I'm feeling way better already. The reason why I chose a picnic is because A, I get to actually eat food. I haven't really eaten much lately, so getting a good nutritious meal is one way to kill depression. Second of all, it says to socialize if you have depression, so I'm socializing with my friend Michaela. Third, I get to dress up cute, so I get to feel confident, okay? So yeah, let's go to my closet. Welcome to my closet! You don't need validation from other people, just feel like a whole snack yourself. I don't know, it might be too cold because then I would have to wear it with a jacket. This just looks like I'm going to church. This is weird, this is just kind of weird, so not feeling it. I'm switching shoes, hold up. I'm going for this look. I'm with the beautiful Michaela.
Eyebrows halfway done. I always take like some selfies here because the sun be hidden sometimes.
Yes. Here's me without makeup. Still beautiful. Here we go. Hey there.
I love this song.
Let's go make the food. What you are about to watch is a series of food ASMR. Enjoy! We're gonna fold the turkey up because this is gonna be the most bland sandwich in the entire world.
So much in love with you.
Why are all these trucks here? Like, this is crazy.
What the heck? There's
I'm just so confused.
I'm confused too.
Oh my god.
Guess it's much for you, but I hope that you pick me.
Joe, is that you?
It's
Joe, is that you? He had jeans, a hat, sunglasses, and a jacket and was jogging.
Joe.
We made it?
We did make it.
Now let's do a food haul.
I got my lemon water right here.
Just strawberries and blueberries. I had to hydrate. And she made a little sandwich for herself. I also got a Chick-fil-A sandwich. And then we got some watermelon. Do you have anything to say?
Follow me. No, I'm just kidding.
And we'll play his Instagram down below. Okay, so that's literally my friend that I met on Instagram, and we haven't actually met until now. And then this morning we were like, oh, we need to meet, and literally we just happened to be at the park like 10 feet away from each other, and I was like, green hoodie.
And I was just like, what?
Yeah. Ooh, this light. And that's his cute sister.